Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we help you nail the pronunciation of tricky names and words. Today we're talking about the globally famous tech company, Huawei. Are you saying it right? A lot of people say Huawei or Huawei. Does that sound familiar? But those aren't quite right. Let me show you how it's actually pronounced. The correct way to pronounce it is Huawei. The H is silent, so you start with Hua. The second syllable is Wei, just like the word way. Think of it as Huawei. Simple, right? Let's practice together. Huawei, Huawei, Huawei. Try saying it slowly at first, then faster. You've got this. Here's an interesting fact about Huawei. Huawei is a Chinese tech giant that was founded in 1987 and is now one of the world's largest telecommunications companies. The name Huawei means splendid act, or China is capable, reflecting the company's ambitions and heritage. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation of Huawei, share this tip with your friends and impress them with your knowledge. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more pronunciation tips. See you in the next one.